Hi everyone, and welcome to game development using visual tools. Making games is fun and educational, but many people think in order to do it, they need advanced programming skills. In this tutorial, we show you how to make a game without any need to write code. We use a tool called GameMaker as an example. The tutorial covers some of the basic concepts, such as how to create a level or create different objects, and how to define their behaviors. This is an easy way to get introduced to making games, which can lead you to more advanced techniques and tools, which still use similar concepts. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have fun making games. Thank you.